In today's world, it's more important than ever to have a global financial solution. With more and more people traveling and doing business internationally, it's essential to have a way to manage your money across different currencies. That's where Revolut comes in. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international transfers. But what currency does Revolut use? Understanding Revolut's currency model. Revolut uses a multi-currency model. This means that you can hold and spend multiple currencies in your account. You can also convert between currencies at competitive exchange rates. Revolut's base currency is GBP, British Pound Sterling. However, you can add up to 28 other currencies to your account, including USD, Euro, CAD, AUD, JPY, and many more. When you add a new currency to your account, Revolut will create a virtual wallet for that currency. You can then fund your wallet with the relevant currency using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. How Revolut uses currencies. Revolut uses your base currency, GBP, as the default currency for all transactions. However, you can choose to spend in any of the currencies you have added to your account. When you make a transaction in a foreign currency, Revolut will automatically convert the amount to your base currency. This means that you don't need to worry about exchange rates or currency conversion fees. The benefits of using Revolut's multi-currency model. There are many benefits to using Revolut's multi-currency model. Here are a few of the most important. No currency conversion fees. When you convert between currencies, you won't be charged any fees. Competitive exchange rates. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates, so you'll get more for your money. Easy to manage your finances. You can easily keep track of your finances in multiple currencies using the Revolut app. Travel-friendly. Revolut is a great option for travelers, as you can easily spend in foreign currencies without having to worry about exchange rates or fees. Business-friendly. Revolut is also a great option for businesses that do business internationally. You can easily pay and receive payments in multiple currencies. How to choose the right currency for your needs. When choosing which currencies to add to your Revolut account, it's important to consider your individual needs. If you travel or do business frequently in a particular country, you may want to add that country's currency to your account. You should also consider the exchange rates for different currencies. If you're planning to travel to a country with a weak currency, you may want to exchange your money before you go. Revolut is a great option for anyone who needs a global financial solution. With its multi-currency model, competitive exchange rates, and no currency conversion fees, Revolut makes it easy to manage your money across different currencies. If you're looking for a global financial solution, I encourage you to sign up for Revolut today. You can download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.